Architecture, a discipline perpetually in flux, has evolved from its primordial function of mere shelter into a complex endeavor that seeks to enrich our existence. The fundamental objective remains unaltered: to elevate our experience of inhabiting the world. By crafting spaces that resonate with a sense of belonging, we forge a profound connection to our surroundings. This connection, nurtured by elements such as natural light, ventilation, and biophilic design, becomes the cornerstone of architectural well-being. The marriage of the artificial and the natural is paramount in achieving this equilibrium. Incorporating native vegetation into the design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also purifies the air and fosters a healthier living environment. This approach to landscaping respects the local ecosystem while creating a serene ambience. Moreover, the judicious use of natural materials like stone, brick, wood, and concrete brings a tactile and authentic quality to the architecture. These materials, shaped by skilled local artisans, embody the region's cultural heritage and craftsmanship. Light and air are integral to the architectural experience. By carefully controlling natural light and implementing cross-ventilation systems, we can create spaces that are dynamic and responsive to the changing seasons. This interplay of light and shadow, coupled with the circulation of fresh air, imparts a sense of vitality and connection to the natural world. The house becomes a microcosm of its environment, breathing and adapting to external conditions. The site itself serves as a guiding force in the design process. A sloping terrain and a majestic tree dictated the three-level configuration of the house, maximizing space and creating a harmonious relationship with the landscape. The social areas, bathed in natural light, contrast with the more private spaces on the upper level. This interplay of transparency and opacity reinforces the house's character and provides a sense of enclosure when needed. Ultimately, this architectural approach is a testament to the belief that buildings should be rooted in their context. By responding to the local climate, topography, materials, and cultural traditions, we create spaces that are not only functional but also emotionally resonant. This holistic approach to design fosters a deep connection between inhabitants and their environment, elevating everyday life and enriching the human experience. As we wrap up, it's clear that architecture is more than just the creation of physical spaces. It's about crafting environments that shape our experiences and deepen our connection to the world around us. From the thoughtful integration of nature to the strategic use of light and materials, the spaces we inhabit have the power to enhance our well-being and foster a sense of belonging. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of architectural design that goes beyond the ordinary, aiming to elevate our daily lives through intentional and meaningful spaces. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content that delves into the art and science of creating spaces that truly resonate. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring the world of architecture.